Hello friends, welcome to lecture 9 from Digital Logic Design. Today's topic is decimal multiplication, octal multiplication and hexadecimal multiplication. That means multiplication of decimal numbers, octal numbers and hexadecimal numbers. Now let us start with the decimal multiplication. Before we start the decimal multiplication, you make sure that each digit in the given numbers should lie between 0 to 9 only, because the decimal number system is having the digits from 0 to 9. Now let us take two numbers. The first number is 2485. We called it as multiplier. The second number is 673. This is a multiplicand. Always the multiplication starts from the least significant position of a multiplicand. So when we multiply the multiplier with 3 into 5 is 15. If the partial product for each multiplication is greater than 9, should follow the following method. Here 3 into 5 means 15. 15 means it is greater than 9. To find the partial product digit, we should write the 3 into 5 equal to 15. Out of this 15, how many tens we have? 15 minus 1 into 10, which is equal to, the difference is 5. So here 1 means this is carry, the number of tens. 5, the difference, we call it as partial product digit. Okay, so we should write the partial product digit at this place 5. You should keep in mind carry equal to 1. Okay, now we should multiply 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is 24. 24 plus previous carry. Okay, this is a previous carry. So 25 is the sum. 25 minus 2 into 10. 2 tens are available. The difference is 5. So carry equal to 2. Difference value is partial product digit. So write partial product digit 5 and just to keep in mind the carry equal to 2. Now 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 4 plus previous carry 2. The total is 14. Out of 14, 110 is there. The difference is 4. Partial product digit 4 and keep in mind the carry is 1. Now 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus the previous carry 1, 7. 7 is a decimal digit, so that no need to follow this procedure. Okay, so directly you should write the 7 as a digit. So 7455, this is the first partial product. Now multiply with the 7. 7 5s are 35. 35 means greater than 9. And how many tens we have? 3 into 10. The difference is 5. So 3 is carry. 5 is the partial product digit. Okay, so should write the 5 here. Now 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56 plus 3, 59. Again should calculate 5 into 10. Difference is 9. Carry equal to 5. 9 is the partial product digit. So 9 here. Next to 7 4s are 28 plus carry 5, 33. 33 minus 3 into 10, which is equal to 3. 3 is the partial product digit. This 3 is carry. So should write 3 at this place. Now 7 into 2, 14 plus previous carry 3. So totally 17. 17 minus 1 into 10, which is equal to 7. So this is carry equal to 1. This is a partial product digit 7. So should write 7 at this place, carry in the leftmost position. Okay. Now this is the partial product 2. Now we should multiply with the 6. 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 3 into 10, which is equal to 0. Therefore 0. C equal to 3. Now 6 into 4, 48 plus 3, 51. 51 minus 5 into 10, which is equal to 1. Therefore 1. C equal to 5. Now 6 into 4, 24 plus 5, 29. Minus 2 into 10, which is equal to 9. C equal to 2. Therefore 9 at this place. 6 into 2, 12 plus previous carry 2, 14. 14 minus 1 into 10, which is equal to 4. Therefore C equal to 1. This is a 4. So should write 4 at this place, write the final carry at this place. Next partial product 3. Now we should add all these partial products along with the carries. Okay, now this is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 means it is greater than 9. Just we should follow the decimal addition method. Okay, that means 10 minus 1 into 10, which is equal to 0. Okay, therefore 0 at this place. 1 is carry 1. 4 plus 9 plus 1, 14. So 14 means 1 into 10, which is equal to 4. Okay, carry 1. Next, this is 12. 12 means 2, carry 1. Next, this is 17. 7, carry 1. This is 6 directly. Next, 1. This is our final product value. In the same way, you can do octal multiplication and do hexadecimal multiplication. Now let us do the octal multiplication. Before we start the octal multiplication, in the given numbers, make sure that each digit in the given numbers should lie between 0 to 7 only. Now this is the first number 2465. This is the second number. Here every digit should lie only 0 to 7 only. The first number we called it as multiplier. The second number we called it as multiplicand. Okay, now we should start the multiplication process from the least significant position of multiplicand. Now we should multiply 3 into 5, that is 15. This 15 is not an octal digit, so that we should convert this 15 into octal digit by subtracting the number of 8s, because 8 is the radix of octal number system. So out of 15, only single 8 is available. 1 into 8, the difference is 7. This one is carry. 7 is the partial product digit. Okay, now we should write the partial product digit as 7. Now keep in mind the carry is 1. Next multiplication is 3 into 6, 18 plus the previous carry. The total is 19. Out of this 19, how many 8s are we have? 2 into 8. 2 is the carry. The difference is 3. This is the partial product digit 3. So we should write the partial product digit as 3. Now 3 into 4, 12 plus previous carry 2. This is 14. 1 into 8, the difference is 6. Carry equal to 1, product is 6. Okay. Now 3 into 2, 6 plus previous carry 1. This is 7. 7 is less than 7. Okay, that is an octal digit. So no need to convert like this. Directly we can write the octal digit as 7. So the total 7637 is the first partial product. Multiply with the 7. 7 5s are 35. So 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32. Difference is 3. So C equal to 4. This is the partial product digit we should write at this place. To write this partial product, just leave one digit space. Okay. Now 7 into 6, 42 plus previous carry 4, 46. 46 minus 5 8s, 40. The difference is 6. C equal to 5. Okay, 6. Next 7 4s are 28 plus carry 5, 33. 33 minus 4 8s are 32. The difference is 1. So this is C equal to 4. Okay, 1 we should write at this place. Next 7 2s are 14. 14 plus C equal to 4, 18 totally. 18 minus 2 into 8, which is equal to difference 2. Therefore, should write 2 at this place, C equal to 2. So this is the final carry 2. This is the second partial product. We should leave 2 digit space, then should write the next partial product. This is the third partial product. Now we should add all these partial products, including carries. This is the final product value. In this way, we can do the hexadecimal multiplication also. Now let us do hexadecimal multiplication. Before we start the hexadecimal multiplication, make sure that each digit in the given hexadecimal number should lie between 0 to 9 and A to F only. This is the first number. This is the second number. The first number we called it as multiplier. The second number we called it as multiplicand. 5D 8C into 8A 6. Now we should start from 6. First we should write the hexadecimal equivalent values. A equal to 10, B equal to 11, C equal to 12, D equal to 13, E equal to 14, F equal to 15. Now start the multiplication from 6. So 6 into C means 12. Okay, the equivalent value is 72. 72 is greater than 15. 72 minus 4 into 16. 4 16s are 64. The difference is 8. So partial product is 8. Here 4 indicates the carry. Okay, this is 8. Just keep in mind carry equal to 4. Now 6 into 8, 48 plus previous carry 4. So the total is 52. Again should check the number of 16s. 3 into 16. This is 4 difference, carry equal to 3. Now we should write this partial product digit 4, carry equal to 3. Now we should multiply 6 into D. D is 13. 6 into D plus previous carry 3. It is 81 minus 5 into 16, which is equal to 1. 1. Just keep in mind carry equal to 5. Next 6 into 5. 30 plus previous carry 5. So 35. 35 minus 2 into 16, it is equal to 3. C equal to 2, partial product digit is 3. Okay, this is 3. Carry 2, the leftmost carry 2. Directly you should write. So the total 2, 3, 1, 4, 8, this is the first partial product. Okay, in this way you should multiply with A and you should multiply with 8. Next, to write the partial product 2, just leave one digit space. To write the partial product 3, just leave 2 digit space and should multiply next with A, after that should multiply with 8. Then you can obtain these values. Just add these partial products. Okay, this is 8. Here 4 plus 8, 12. 12 equivalent value is C. Therefore C. Next 1 plus 7, 8. 3 plus 7 plus 6, 16 is not a hexadecimal digit. So we should convert. So 16 minus 1 into 16, which is equal to 0. C equal to 1. This is a sum. Okay. Therefore 0 carry is a 1. Now 2 plus A plus C. 2 plus A is 10. 12 plus C is 12. 24 plus 1, 25. 25 minus 1 into 16, which is equal to 9. So C equal to 1, sum is 9. So 9 carry is 1. 3 plus E is 14. So 17 plus 1, 18. 18 minus 1 into 16, which is equal to 2. C equal to 1, this is a sum. So 2 carry 1. 2 plus 1 is a 3. Okay, so this is the final product. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.